Did you know that some ancient grains contain up to 3 times more fiber and double the protein of modern wheat? It's a staggering fact, especially when most of us fill our plates with the same familiar grains every day. In a world obsessed with superfoods, there's a group of nutritional powerhouses that have slipped under the radar: ancient grains. While quinoa might ring a bell, what about farro, teff, or amaranth? These grains were once the backbone of civilizations, fueling empires and nourishing generations. Yet today, many of us have never even tasted them. Their story is one of resilience, rich heritage, and remarkable health benefits, and it's time we brought them back to our tables. Ancient grains are a diverse family of whole grains that have remained largely unchanged for thousands of years. Unlike modern wheat and rice, which have been bred for uniformity and yield, ancient grains retain their original genetic profiles. This means they often boast superior nutrition, unique flavors, and a hearty texture that stands apart from the processed grains lining supermarket shelves. From the terraced fields of the Andes to the highlands of Ethiopia, these grains have shaped cultures, supported communities, and provided sustenance in the harshest of environments. Today, they offer us a window into the past, one that could hold the key to healthier, more sustainable eating. So, why have these ancient grains been overlooked? The answer lies in the rise of modern agriculture and our fixation on just a handful of staple crops. Wheat, corn, and rice dominate global diets, accounting for nearly half of all calories consumed worldwide. This monoculture approach has sidelined many traditional grains, pushing them to the fringes or out of mainstream diets entirely. As a result, our plates have become less diverse, and we miss out on the extraordinary nutritional profiles and flavors that ancient grains have to offer. It's a missed opportunity not only for our health, but for the planet too. Let's shine a light on a few of these grains, starting with one that's recently found its way into health food stores everywhere: quinoa. Native to the Andes Mountains of South America, quinoa was revered by the Incas as the mother of all grains. It's easy to see why. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based foods that contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. It's also rich in fiber, magnesium, iron, and B vitamins. In the kitchen, quinoa is a chameleon. Its mild, nutty flavor works beautifully in salads, soups, breakfast bowls, or even as a gluten-free substitute for pasta or rice. Beyond its nutrition, quinoa's resilience allows it to thrive in poor soils and challenging climates, making it a champion for food security in a changing world. Next, let's travel to the rolling hills of the Mediterranean, where farro has been a dietary staple since the days of ancient Rome. Farro is actually a term for 3 species of hulled wheat, but what unites them is their robust, chewy texture and earthy, nutty taste. Farro is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and minerals like zinc and magnesium. Unlike modern refined grains, its complex carbs digest slowly, providing sustained energy and helping to stabilize blood sugar. Farro shines in hearty soups, risottos, or simply tossed with roasted vegetables and olive oil. Its adaptability and satisfying bite have earned it a spot in the kitchens of chefs and home cooks alike. Now, let's journey to Africa, where teff reigns supreme in the highlands of Ethiopia and Eritrea. Despite being the world's smallest grain, teff punches far above its weight. It's an excellent source of iron, calcium, and resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that supports gut health and keeps you feeling full longer. Teff is naturally gluten-free and has a mild, slightly sweet flavor, making it perfect for everything from porridge to pancakes. But its most famous culinary use is injera, a spongy flatbread that serves as the foundation of Ethiopian cuisine. Teff's tiny size means it cooks quickly, and its high nutritional density has earned it a spot in the diets of athletes and health enthusiasts seeking sustained energy and performance. But the story doesn't end there. Ancient grains like amaranth, spelt, millet, and sorghum each bring their own unique flavors and benefits to the table. Amaranth, for example, was a sacred crop of the Aztecs, celebrated for its high protein and lysine content, a rare find in the plant world. Millet, a staple in India and parts of Africa, is rich in magnesium and antioxidants and is naturally gluten-free. Sorghum, with its drought resistance and mild, sweet flavor, is a lifeline for millions living in arid regions and is gaining popularity in gluten-free baking. Perhaps the most surprising benefit of ancient grains is their impact on gut health. Many of these grains, like farro and teff, are rich in prebiotic fibers, compounds that nourish the beneficial bacteria in your digestive system. Modern diets, with their reliance on refined grains, often lack these crucial fibers, leading to digestive issues and a less diverse gut microbiome. By reintroducing ancient grains, you're not just adding variety to your meals. You're actively supporting your body's natural defenses and promoting long-term health. Let's take a closer look at teff, the tiny Ethiopian grain. Aside from its impressive nutrient profile, teff contains a unique type of resistant starch that can help regulate blood sugar and support weight management. Recent studies have shown that incorporating teff into your diet can lead to improved satiety, meaning you feel fuller for longer. For athletes, teff's high iron content supports oxygen delivery to muscles, making it a favorite among runners and endurance athletes. But perhaps most astonishing is teff's ability to thrive in poor soils and unpredictable climates, making it not just a nutritional powerhouse, but a crop for the future as we face global challenges like soil degradation and climate change. So, why should you consider making ancient grains a regular part of your diet? First, the nutritional benefits are undeniable. These grains offer more fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals than many modern staples, supporting everything from heart health to digestion and sustained energy. Second, their versatility in the kitchen means you can enjoy them in countless ways, from breakfast to dinner, in sweet or savory dishes. Whether you're gluten-free, vegetarian, or simply looking to diversify your meals, ancient grains have something to offer. But there's more. By choosing ancient grains, you're also supporting agricultural biodiversity. Relying on just a few crops makes our food system vulnerable to pests, disease, and climate change. Ancient grains, with their genetic diversity and adaptability, can help build a more resilient and sustainable food future. Many are grown using traditional methods that are less reliant on chemical inputs, and their ability to flourish in marginal soils means they can be cultivated where other crops fail. This not only preserves cultural heritage, but also empowers small-scale farmers around the world. Incorporating ancient grains into your diet doesn't have to be daunting. Start small, replace your usual rice with quinoa, toss farro into your next salad, or try baking with teff flour. Explore new recipes and let your taste buds travel the world. Soon, you'll discover that these grains bring more than just nutrition. They add rich flavors, satisfying textures, and a sense of connection to the past. Ancient grains are more than a passing trend. They're a bridge to better health, greater sustainability, and a richer food experience. By bringing them back into our kitchens, we honor the wisdom of generations past and invest in a healthier future for ourselves and the planet. If you've enjoyed learning about these forgotten superfoods and want to discover more ways to nourish your body and the world around you, don't forget to subscribe. There's a world of flavor and nutrition waiting. Let's explore it together.